So in this video, I'm going to go over how to repair a sidewall on a tire that's been cut like this. So there's a few things you want to look for when you have a cut. Make sure that there is no metal. If you're not into the metal bead, it is 100% a cosmetic. If you do see metal inside of there where you see the wire coming out, you want to take it to a tire shop and get it replaced. Or if it's leaking air and you see it going down, you want to go ahead and get it replaced anyway. I could cut it off using just like a razor or something and cut it, but there'd be a nick in the side of the tire. So what I decided to do was get some of this extra seal. This is vulcanized cement for tire repair. You can see right there, this is for commercial use and it's a tire repair sealant. What it is an actual glue. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to get repair a sidewall, what you might want to do. So I'm going to use 91% rubbing alcohol, or any type of rubbing alcohol or brake cleaner would work. I'm going to get this, I'm going to clean this area up, and then I'm just going to spread this on and let it cure on there, and I should be good to go. So let's get to work. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is clean the inside of this really good. That way we get a good bond with this. This should be a pretty easy type of repair. Now I'm going to get the sealant. This does have a brush built in, everybody. You don't need a lot of this stuff. I've used this stuff in the past. So I'm just going to paint down in there like that, both sides, and then just fold it over nicely like that, and then hold it in place. The problem is I do have to hold it in place right here until it starts beating up, until it gets enough where it'll last. Now you might be able to put a piece of tape or something on here, but honestly I'm just going to hold it for a little while. Do wear some rubber gloves with this stuff. You don't want to get this stuff on you. Check out how the tire looks. Let me bring you in a little closer so you guys remember. Now, it might not be the best looking thing, but you know what? You step back, you can't even really tell it. Now, once I clean it up and shine it up, you will not even really see those marks in there. I might go along that outside edge a little bit more and clean it up, but honestly, the way it looks right now, I'm totally fine with this. I didn't like the idea of cutting it off and seeing a big gaping hole right there. I like the idea of putting a little of this vulcanized cement on here and seeing if this stuff works, and so far so good. Now only time will tell after I drive it a few hundred miles, but I've been driving this tire like this for around about a month now, and I see no issues with this at all. Look how good this tread looks on here. I didn't see a reason to replace these Michelin tires. These are the Michelin Defender, you know, LTX tires. These are really good tires, so I didn't want to replace one of these things because that's not cheap. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, tire repair. See you all in the next video.